will be sent in the email, the link that will be sent in the email. I'm not going to send the email now, but so you just need to uncomment that and it'll send it out. And if you have any trouble, if you don't know how to configure email in a development environment, just leave a comment and we can all talk about it. But it's pretty simple to do. I could probably do a 2-minute tutorial on it if you wanted. So what we need to do is create this function, a register confirm. So what we'll do is get started with that. Okay, so first thing it needs to do is we need to check that we have the activation code in the URI, in the URL. So what we will do is say registration code equals this URI segment 3. Alright, that's the first segment of the URI. Now we need to check that that is actually not blank. If it is, we want to exit, right? But we'll just echo out an error message, echo error. Alright, so we should be able to test this now, right? Except this URI. Okay, so if I come to here and I just register confirm without anything, we get an error message, error, no registration code. Now we're going to do it with this, which will work. Nothing will come back. Okay, so now we're going to do it with this. So first of all, let's create a new function in our model. Let's call it confirm registration, and we're going to pass in the registration code. Yeah, and then we're going to do a quick we're going to do a query, which will be select, I don't know, we'll just get the user ID, select user ID from table user where activation code equals registration code. Sorry, I've been using the stupid names, but that's alright. Okay. Right, and then we'll run it. Query string and registration code. Alright, so that runs it. And let's check. How should we do this? Select user. No, let's do it this way. Update activated set beg your pardon, sorry, update table user set activated equal to 1 where activation code equals registration code, and run it. It doesn't really tell us if we were successful, does it? Alright. Sorry about this, guys. I should have thought about it before I started this tutorial. Select user ID from table user where activation code equals that. If result num rows equals 1, then we can go ahead and complete it. Okay, and we're going to return true. Else we're going to return false. Alright, let me explain what I just did. So the first query we're going to do is select the user ID where activation code is what they've put in the URI, and then we're going to check the result of that, and if the number of rows returned is equal to exactly 1, then we're going to go ahead and update the activated column. Okay, to set that to 1, and then we're going to return true to confirm that it was registered. Yeah, otherwise we'll return false because registration failed. So back here, let's run that. This user model confirm registration, and it's going to be the registration code. And obviously we're going to do registration confirmed, and if registration confirmed, echo you have successfully registered, else you have failed to register, no record found, activation code. Yeah? Alright, I think that should be it, right? Who knows? Let's give it a shot. So first of all, let's do some testing. If we don't pass anything, we get the same error. If we pass something that doesn't exist, we get you have failed to register. And if we send the activation code that this guy got in his URL, activation URL, we should get success. We don't. No record found for that. Way. This is where it gets fun. Shit. Now for some debugging, guys. Confirm registration. Registration code. So select user ID from table user where activation code equals. Okay, well, that's probably not good. Let's just try that again, see what happens. See if that's what the error was. That wasn't what the error was. Okay. So let's just have a quick look in here. We go like this, right? And we'll just replace that with the actual number and see what comes back. And run that. So we don't get anything back from that. Why don't we get anything back from that? Let's have a look again. 784. So it's dropped off the last. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright, so what we need to do, guys, is we need to alter this. For some reason, when I ask for a 10-digit number, I'm getting 11 back. So let's just make this 12 to be safe, right? Okay, so that's good. And then we'll update this to what it should be, which is the 4 on the end. Okay, because that's what we got emailed. Alright. Unless I added that 4 somehow when I was pasting the URL or something, I'm not sure. So let's just check this, right? So that's good. And now we should get a record back with this. Okay, we do get that user ID back. So now if we come through here and we get successfully registered. Okay, so that's good. And if we come in here now, select all our users, this guy's been activated. Okay, so sorry about that. We had a little problem because this activation code got truncated because this is obviously this function here is obviously slightly wrong. It should be like length -1 or something. But let's just leave it like that for now. Just make the changes that I made, and it should work. So that's the process. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And in the next one, I don't know, we'll do the we'll check the email doesn't already exist, that sort of thing, and the username doesn't already exist, and that's probably the end of the registration process. Thanks for watching. See you.